Meaning of effortlessness.
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 Effortlessness. Effortlessness refers to the quality of doing something without requiring much physical or mental exertion. It implies a sense of ease and gracefulness in one's actions, where tasks are completed smoothly and naturally. The result of effortlessness is often a feeling of flow, where one is fully engaged in an activity and experiencing a sense of enjoyment and satisfaction. It can also lead to higher levels of efficiency and productivity, as well as reduced stress and fatigue. Overall, effortlessness is a desirable state to strive for in both personal and professional pursuits.